Yo, my name is Gary. I am a student at the Rled University. I am taking an information and technology class. And for a project that we're doing, we're going to be simulating an alarm system. In front of me, I have a Lego megaboard 2560. And I also have a breadboard. I have some wires. I have 3 LED lights, a buzzer, and we're going to get started. So, I believe one of the first things that we're going to do, let's take our wires that we're going to plug into the ground and the positive outlets. Red and black. All right. First, we're going to do the ground. We're just going to go like this. Plug those in. Those are ground wires. Those are ground outlets. Negative. And we're going to plug this in to the positive. This provides your power. All right. So now we gotta get it plugged up to the Arduino board. So first we're gonna do ground again. It's always best to do ground first. Plug that into a negative slot. Make sure it's plugged in. And then we're gonna look for ground over here. Here we go, G and D. So we're gonna go, let's see, right here. Boom, that's plugged in. Now, we need another wire, a red wire, which provides the power. Because of what we're doing, we're going to go into the 5 volts. So we'll plug it into here. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Boom. Just make sure that it was together on that. All right, so now we have our power wire, which goes into the 5 volts. So that's now connected to the 5 volt. So it's providing power. This is providing power to this in a sense. It's the same as a battery providing power to this. Now we got our first LED light that we're going to plug up. So we have two sides. This side is negative, this side is positive. So what we're going to do is go ahead and plug the negative side into the ground, and then we're going to plug in the positive side to the breadboard. Mind you, these are powered because this is like the battery. This is acting as a battery. All negative and positives on this side is charged, so all of that is charged because of these plugins, and all of that is charged because of that. So in a sense, these two connecting to the breadboard, and that provides power to the breadboard, right? And then these two, because the breadboard on this side is powered, positive and the negative is powered on this side, we're going to now transfer that energy over here. So that's powered. The LED light will be powered. and it's not on yet because the Arduino board is a board that works through coding, and I have code for it through my computer. All right, so also it's not plugged in. You need a wire for that. So to power the LED, we're gonna go into the same column that the positive wire is on and plug that in over here, and we're gonna plug that into number two. I'm going to do something to try to get a little confirmation of the light. If I can't, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and code it. LED light. All right, I have a code. I'm gonna show you the code. Boom. This is gonna power on the light. It's gonna flash. And the reason why it's gonna flash, let's go to where this is. Okay, so here's the code right here. This is just code. I already said my name, so you know. Serial.println. Red LED is on. Delay 1,000. So the 1,000 equals milliseconds, which equals 1 second. So that's going to be on for a second, and then also, you know, turn off the red LED light. LED light is off. 1,000. So it's going to be off for a second as well. So it's going to flash on and off each for a second. And I'm sorry about that flashing going on right there. So I'm gonna upload the code. Let's see this. Press this button. Boom. Uploading. Compiling sketch. Uploading. Done uploading. Flashing for 1 second each. It's turning on for 1 second and turning off for 1 second. So to see how it works, I'm going to change the on interval to 100. Uploading, done uploading. All right, so as you can see, it's on for a shorter amount of time than it is off compared to how it was before. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the off. Delete. Oop. And we know shortcuts, short keys rather. All right, 100. Upload. And it's flashing on and off a lot quicker. That's cool. So that works. All right, now we're going to add in the other components. I'm going to turn off this first. Upload. All right, cool. So I uploaded, all I did was upload the default code that Arduino normally opens up with, and it just turns everything off. It's just default. All right, so I'm gonna just plug in our LED lights first. Like I said, short wire into the grounding back here, and then power up here. And then we got over here the green one, same thing. All right, so they're cool. Try to space them out a little bit. I tried to space them out a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna move this one over here in the middle, and the green and red are each on the end. So it's spaced out. It's all neat, you know. All right, cool. Now, respectively, we're going to plug in our wires. So we got a yellow wire going in to the power column where the yellow LED light is. Boom. And the red LED light is in 2, and we're gonna go in the 3 for the yellow. And I'm gonna take my green wire and plug it up here so everything is nice and consistent. And then I'm gonna plug it right next to it. I'm gonna go to 4. Oh, let me see. Where is that? Number 4. 4. Okay. 2 red, 3 yellow, 4 green. All right. I'm not gonna see if they work because there's no need. I'm pretty sure they work because this one worked. But I'm just going off of the code. Later on, I will show one where I try to experiment and try to see if lights come on just because. Now I'm gonna do my buzzer. This is going to make a sound indicating that the alarm in your house is going off. I'm trying to focus it. Up here is the positive side. That's the long side. So the long side obviously goes into the power, the breadboard. This side right here, and the negative, we're gonna put into the grounding. First, I do want to, I'm gonna use this wire to power that. And I'm going to actually put that, oh, you know what? I can put it over there. I feel like it's reaching though. I don't want to reach too much. So I'm going to put that, boom, 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 right here. All right. Like I said, negative in the back, the short one, and positive into the breadboard. So that's plugged in. And they're lined up. It should be lined up. Yep, they're lined up. And I did that. I did the wire first because obviously it's a little hard to tell where the sensor is being plugged in. What do you say? All right. And I'm going to, for coding purposes, because it's already in the code, I'm going to plug this into 10. Is that 10? No. That's 10. All right, so the megaboard is giving power to the sensor. Remember, everything is powered on now. And this is going to simulate the door opening and shutting. So I'm going to, where am I going to plug this up at? Let's see. Actually, hold, give me a second. I don't want to mess this up. You know what? I'm just try it anyway. This is going to be an experiment. I'm going to plug it in the ground. But I'm going to plug it all the way over here. And then, like, for coding purposes, it goes into 9. The reason why I say coding purposes is because in the code, the door is with 9. It's for lack of better terms, it indicates that the door is coded through port 9, and the buzzer is coded through port 10. Same with the LED lights; they're coded with the respective numbers. All right, so I have a code for that as well. See, let's see, up here, red LED 2, yellow 3, green 4, buzzer 10, and door 9. Now obviously I can change that, and I'm actually gonna try. I might try that. Oh, let me see. I might try that. I ain't gonna try it now though. But yeah, so everything is coded out. Value. And I'm still learning how to read the code, but that's not the purpose of this project. So with the door is closed, and because it's plugged in, the door is going to indicate that it's closed and there is no security threat. When I unplug the blue wire, that's going to indicate that the door is open and there is a security threat. Now, obviously, when we have a security system, just because you open the door doesn't mean a security threat is going on. But for this purpose, it is. The door is open, security alert, the buzzer will sound. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload that code. Done uploading. Green light is on. Green light is on, as I said, because it's blue wire. The door is closed. Green light indicates no security threat at all. Now I'm gonna take this out, and the sound done. That's crazy. Oh, you know what? You can plug it in there anytime. The reason why it was sounding like that is, and it should have actually flashed, but I changed it earlier. I changed the coding earlier, the delay time. And I'm gonna go back to it. Let's see. Right here. So by default, the delay time was 1,000, meaning a second. And I think 10,000, maybe 10 seconds. Yeah. And 100 is half a second, maybe. All right, so change that back to 1,000. Upload the code. All right. So that means that it is working. It is flashing with 1 second intervals. And now the door is closed again. I'm gonna go ahead and change the 1,000 to 100 so we can get a faster flash, or faster beep rather. Just go ahead and open the door. And I didn't upload that code yet, so I'm gonna upload the code. Boom, it's faster. That's cool. Yeah, so that's basically what the project is going to be. There's more to come. This is just the second step. The second step. The first step that we did was just hook up the red LED light and have it flash. Then this week we went ahead and plugged in the rest of the LED lights, the buzzer, and yeah. So yep, that's the security system, and I'm out.